how would you take something as simple and as everyday an object like this and convert it into an object as cool as this? Hello everybody, my name is Mitesh Sanghani, and apart from our everyday printing projects, we also have some very interesting jobs that occasionally come into our hands. I'm here to tell you how to print photographs on a Rubiks Cube. But a little bit of backstory before that. I have a friend called Anil Rohira, and Anil came to me and asked me to make an invite that was so unique that people would not throw it away in a hurry. Anil was going to launch some new machinery, and he had planned a big event for this. Now, as a printer, Anil told me to come up with an invitation where it did 2-3 things. The first thing is it told people about the product launch, the venue and the date. It brought the product images in focus and kept it in the center of the recipient's mind. And finally, then this was the catch. He said that the invitation would not be thrown away even long after the event was over. And this is what we did. Now, a Rubik's Cube, or for that matter, any cube, has 6 surfaces. So what we did is, we created 6 different artworks. 4 of these surfaces were carrying Anil's product images. So if you can see, we can see this photo of his product out here, here and here. One surface was a company logo. So the name of his company came out here. And finally, the last surface was the actual invite, where we talked about what the venue is, when the date is, and the time of that particular event. Mind you, this is a workable Rubik's puzzle. You can play with it. And when people received this puzzle, they were absolutely dazzled. They kept on playing with it. The products and the content was a talk of the day. They took it and shared it with their families, and this invite was a resounding success. Apart from this very unique invitation idea, a print on a Rubik's Cube is also an excellent gifting idea. I mean, look at this example. It's so personalized for the recipient. Here, a customer has taken photographs of his family prints and printed it on his surfaces. Such a personalized gift cannot be bought for money. You cannot buy this on an open store. And I assure you, such a DIY gift is going to be treasured and kept stored for years together. So how do we create such unique memorabilia? A little detour into the technical aspect of how to print on a Rubik's Cube. You see, at Orchid Digitals, we have a machine known as a flatbed UV printer. What this machine does is it prints on just about any object you can think of. Contrast this with the printing machine at your home or in your office. The inkjet printer, the laser printer will only print on sheets of paper which pass through the printer. But how would you pass a block of wood or a slab of glass through your home inkjet printer? Doesn't work, does it? Actually, it does. We have technology like this to make this happen. At Orchid Digitals, as I said, we have this flatbed UV printer where we have a vacuum bed on which this Rubik Cube, or for that matter any object, sits. And in place of the paper moving through the printer, here the object is static and the printer moves all around it. We have print heads, UV print heads, which move along the X and Y axis on a gantry and spray ink on the flat surface to recreate the image that we want. A custom printed Rubiks Cube is an extremely unique idea. Very few people can even think of such a unique or personalized gift. But at Orchid Digitals, all of this is just in a day's work for us. Now, if you like the idea, please, I would love to hear from you. Please hit the subscribe button. It will keep you posted about all the various videos that we post on printing and on educational and interesting projects like this.